guys? Just leaving the office. Gonna do a little test drive on the Charger Super Track Pack. There's my office building. Gonna take the car out for a little spin. Took it from the girlfriend today. Let her use my car. Actually, I should say she let me use her car. There it is. She's waiting for me. Got her cleaned up earlier today. And we're gonna take her for a spin. Let me get my key out here. Hold on a second. What's up, guys? I'm gonna put you up here on my sun visor. I'm gonna hang you guys right from there. Don't fall. Don't want any of you to hurt yourself. I mean, I do have insurance, but still don't want you to hurt yourself. Take the car out for a little spin today. I gotta head to see one of my clients real quick, so we'll go ahead and do that. Use the paddle shifters. Play around with her for a little bit. But anyway, so I just got this GoPro. First time I'm using it. It came with a suction cup thing to mount on the outside of the car. However, there's some kind of mounting issues I'm having with it that I can't figure out. And either it's missing a piece that I can't find, or I'm doing it wrong and I can't figure it out. And if I'm to guess, I'm probably doing it wrong. So I need to play with it some more, try to figure it out. But I got this one that connects to the sun visor. So just use that one for now. But we're gonna go ahead and drive over to Miramar, Florida, to a client that we have over there. I gotta go pick up some equipment. And had a Camaro earlier today try to race me, but one thing I don't do is I don't play around with that. I don't race in public streets. I don't even acknowledge it. I don't even pretend I'm gonna race. It's just not my thing. I think you're stupid if you race in public streets with traffic around, especially. I'm not willing to, number one, risk my life or innocent people's lives. And number two, I'm definitely not willing to risk causing a car accident that, God forbid, takes someone else's life and I gotta spend 15 years in jail. Never get to see my kids for 15 years, watch them grow up. Can't see my girlfriend, can't have my freedom. None of that stuff. So, not worth it to me to have a little bit of fun and race somebody, and one simple little mistake ends all of that. Someone's dead or I'm dead or whatever, and it's just not worth it to me. You know, we have this car. Yeah, it's quick, it's powerful, what have you. We have it just for fun. To know that the power's there when we want to step on it a little bit and have a good time. But that's the end of it. None of that other stuff is worth it to me. If we really want to race, we'll go to the drag strip or something like that. But I'm not here for that. I don't have the car for that. I just have it. I keep saying I have it. It's my girlfriend's car, so we both drive it, but it's her car and she drives it a lot more than I do. But we just have it to have fun with. met people with this car because of this car. We've met good people. We joined a car club. And that's what it's all about. Just good times and fun. And that's it. Not being stupid. But anyways, I need to figure out how to use this GoPro. It's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi enabled, so I can control it from my cell phone, which is pretty cool. Still trying to learn all that. I need to learn how to add music, and there's so many things I want to learn how to do with these cameras and the programming and all that. I just don't know how to do it. I need to start watching some YouTube videos or something on how to do all this. But everywhere I've been driving today, there's been cops, so I haven't been able to take any video. I'm gonna get on I-75 now, north, and hopefully there won't be too many around. Girlfriend asked me to please return the car with gas in it. That ain't gonna be easy, because this car is thirsty. Come on, baby. Police cars around here. Not that I'm speeding or anything, I don't do that. So yeah, man, 2018 Dodge Charger RT Super Track Pack. I love the performance pages. Does not have launch control, which I guess you can unlock that by buying a programmer or what have you. But again, I don't drag race. It's not really important to me. My girlfriend doesn't drag race. She just likes to drive it fast, but not drag race. Not important, so we probably won't unlock that. Just have fun with the pages that it has, and that's about it. Plus, we did lease this car. We didn't buy it, so I'm not looking to go crazy. And people ask, why do I lease? Well, I like to get a new car every 3 years, basically. However, my Mazda 6 is a lease, and when that's up, I think I'm going to go ahead and try to buy a truck. I want to get a truck, like a Dodge Ram or something. Maybe a Tacoma, or we'll see. I really like the Rams. But yeah, it's a 39-month lease. Normally a lease comes with 12,000 miles a year. We did 15,000 a year. Since we do like to take, little road trips here and there. I did the same thing with the Mazda, 15,000 a year. But it works. We like it. But like I said, that Ram that's right in front of us, hopefully I can buy a new one, and that one I'll buy if I can financially at the time when the lease is up on the Mazda. That's what I'd like to do. Just pay it off eventually and just keep it. Let it last forever. But we'll see. I'll tell you that I like this car. It's fun. I love the way it looks. The mango orange is absolutely beautiful in the sun. But it hasn't been my favorite car. And I love Dodge. But to be honest with you, before this we had a Hemi Chrysler 300. And I like that better. And I'm going to do another video after this one when I do a little review on this car, like a 3,500 mile review, and I'll talk about that. But Popo. Hello, officer. Oop, accident.